Is that it?
Nice bit of pilot in there, man.
That's impressive.
Broadcast range. But keep driving it out of range.
Yeah, it'd probably be a good idea to bring it
Bring it
back.